My name is Emmanuel Perez. I'm the project manager for the maintenance. I do a lot of following up on the projects with paint and interior, so I stay a lot on top of the vendors. I believe my role in the company is very important because making sure the exterior and the interior are always on point. Being detailed shows that we care for our clients.
My name is Chris Colbath. I'm one of the partners and the president of maintenance at Flatlines. I oversee all the maintenance operations for the 20 aircraft that are currently on and the additional aircraft that come on board. We conform them, we present them to the FAA, they get added to our certificate, and then from there on, we maintain all the due items. Someone's looking at our aircraft, either it's doing services, checking the tires, checking brake wears. We schedule maintenance at all the manufacturer's recommended requirements. So whether it be every 150 hours, every 12 months, every 5,000 landings, whatever the manufacturer for each aircraft is, we schedule those work packages. We have to vet out our vendors. Any maintainers that work on our aircraft go through a 10-page audit. We do an on-site audit. We check at training records. I mean, we dive deep into everyone that touches our airplanes to make sure that they're 100% certificated, trained, experienced, knowledgeable to do the maintenance. So safety is paramount in our company, especially in maintenance. Everything is double checked. Everything that we do always has a second set of eyes on it. The safety of what we do on our aircraft live with the aircraft forever. Every person that gets on the aircraft, every pilot, every crew member, every animal, we treat it as if my own family was going to get on the aircraft and go fly.